How to easily sell a domain name on GoDaddy. Sign into your GoDaddy account, then click on your name in the top right corner, and you will need to go into My Products. From here, from the products page, we are just going to scroll down until you see domains, and you want to click on Manage All. Once you select Manage All, then check the domain which you want to sell, and you should see this option appear, List for Sale. Click on List for Sale, then Get Started, and here you can set a price for your domain. Your buy now price, I'm going to do 1500, and the floor price is going to be 1250 for me. And you can also add a sales page. Afterwards, you will click on Next, and it's going to tell us this: your listing is almost ready. We'll automatically create your new Afternic account when you list your domain. And here, once you click on List My Domains, then this is going to make it appear. So we are just going to wait for that. It might take a little bit of time because this is creating a new Afternic account, but once you've done this, you will see that your domain is listed for sale. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.